What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5. In today's video, guys, we do have another update on Aioz, which has gone absolutely insane. 130% up in the last 24 hours, currently trading at just about 20 cents. So this crypto has been pumping like crazy over the last couple of days. As you can see, over the last week 260%, and over the month over 1,400%. So where is this crypto essentially heading to? Can it hit 20, 30, 40 cents over the coming days? Before the end of the year, can it potentially hit 50 cents in target? Because yeah, the crypto has been going insane. So we're going to be looking at its next predictions. Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to crash back down in value? And we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at, is now the right time to buy it? Is it way too late? Or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it and take out your profits? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video. So covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its short-term and long-term prediction. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm going to hide this and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So at the top, we've got the purple line, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Aioz network, which is here in purple at over 6 cents. However, it is actually trading at much higher value here in red at nearly 19 cents, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction, looking very positive. This means that it's not realistic. Again, the only reason it's looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last 24 hours. The graph thinks that it's going to keep pumping that in that direction and at that pace as well. However, that is not the case. Over the next 12 to 14 hours, so in the early hours of tomorrow midday, I'm expecting Aioz network to have dropped back down in value below 15 cents in the early hours of tomorrow. But that does not mean that it's going to stop pumping right now. It is likely to pump up higher than where it is at the moment, potentially to about 20-22 cents over the next couple of hours, before it slowly starts to drop back down below 15 cents by midday tomorrow. So pump for now and then slowly dropping back down in value, because right now the crypto is way overvalued. It is going to take a little bit of a step back. Zooming into the hourly chart, next couple of days, again, blue and the orange line are still looking very steep, heading towards a bullish direction, meaning once again this is not realistic. Over the next 7 to 8 days, so let's say by mid next week, I am expecting Aioz network to have once again dropped back down to around 13 to 14 cents is where I'm expecting it to be trading at, so at a lower value than where it is at the moment. But that does not mean that it's going to be hitting red candles from today onwards for the next 7 days. Of course not. It's likely to pump up higher to about 23-24 cents or even 25 cents over the next couple of days, before it starts to drop back down to around 12 to 13 cents by mid next week. So again, do expect it to be quite volatile, but because it's pumped up so much right now, it is likely to take a little step back over the coming week. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, Aioz network, I am expecting it to again take a step back in value. Again, the blue and the orange line looking quite steep, so once again this is not realistic. So mid to late January 2024, Aioz network should essentially be trading around 10 to 11 cents in target, or slightly below 10 cents is where I would expect Aioz network to be trading at. Only reason I say this is because I'm expecting it to crash back down over the coming weeks, especially that it's gone up over 1,000% increase in a space of about 2 to 3 weeks is crazy. It is overvalued, and yeah, there is a point where it's gonna take a little bit of a step back, a little bit of a crash. So for those of you investing into it right now, just make sure your risk management is on point, especially when you're investing into it right now where it's pumped up so much in value. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator, bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone, and for us to hit the resistance target here of 27 cents, we can potentially hit that over the coming days, but once it hits that target, it is more than likely that it is going to crash back down in value. But at the moment, it is trading in the red zone, and it is likely to carry on trading in the red zone over the next couple of days and weeks as well. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up nearly over 900% in the last 24 hours, making it $32 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading from both buyers and sellers point of view. So it is one of the top gainer in the last 24 hours. So of course it is getting a lot of attention right now, a lot of hype around it, meaning more and more people are trading the crypto. So before I go any further, guys, just a little announcement for those of you guys who are interested on regular updates on the crypto market, what to expect, what to predict, and so on. You guys can join my Telegram group chat, which I will leave a link to in my description box down below. Again, it is currently on offer, 50% off using discount code DEC10. However, this is only valid for a limited time only and for a limited number of members to join. But once you get in for that price, it will stay at that price for as long as you remember. So it is usually $29.99. Is on offer for $14.99. So what happens once you sign up? You're going to get put into 2 group chats. The first one is a general chat where I'll be showing you guys regular updates on the crypto market, what to expect, and so on. Don't worry about the figures here. This is an old screenshot from about a year ago, and I also answer your questions. If you guys have any analysis or prediction questions, you guys can ask and I will provide that in the group chat. The second chat you guys get put into is another one where I'll be showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. Again, I'm not a short-term trader, I am a long-term investor, meaning I only buy and sell crypto at a good price, and I don't do that on a regular basis. But yeah, any questions, any queries, comment down below or send me an email. But other than that, link is in the description box down below. And now back to Aioz. So those of you asking me, would I buy the crypto right now or would I sell it? First of all, I would definitely not buy it. Only reason is it's overvalued, and as I mentioned earlier on in the video, I am expecting it to drop back down in value, so it doesn't make sense for me to invest into the crypto right now. And seller's point of view, yes, I would sell it. If I had $1,000 worth of Aioz right now, I would sell about half of it, meaning, and again, I would only sell if I'm on a profit. If I was on a loss, I would not sell it. So yes, I would sell it if I was on a profit, take out 50% of my investment in Aioz network, meaning I've still got some investment into it and I've also taken out some profit, so it works both ways, and I'll hold on to the remaining 50% for the long term going into the next couple of years. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Aioz network, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below, where are you guys expecting this crypto to go? Are you expecting it to hit the dollar mark? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. For me, the dollar mark is not anytime soon, not even in the next year. Probably towards the very end of next year or the year after that is when I'm expecting the crypto to hit the dollar mark. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.